Good morning, dear students, and welcome back for once again. I am happy and delighted to be with you to start another poem of your syllabus. And this poem is an interesting philosophical poem of a Dogri poet, Vedpal Deep. And this poem has translated from Dogri to English by Shivnath. Before discussing the poem, I want to discuss the brief life sketch of the poet. Vedpal Deep was born in 1929. He was an eminent Dogri poet. His book Asiteyan Banjare Log was awarded by the J&K Academy of Art, Culture and Languages. He died in 1995. So, brief introduction of the poem. The poet remembers an evening wet with rain. It is an atmosphere complete silence. The poet draws a number of images from the nature to heighten the effect of silence and solitude. The poet seemed to be depressed, perhaps for loss of hope that has darkened the evening of his life. The poet is reminded of his childhood when he stood alone in the courtyard of his house listening to the sound of cymbals. He regrets that the days gone by do not return. This is the introduction of the poem. So, dear students, in the first part of this poem video, I am going to discuss the first two extracts of the poem. So, let me discuss first of all the first extract of the poem for you. So, listen carefully. An evening wet with rain, as I walk through the lane, the hearts beckon the hands to hold them with love. The mind also knows subtle signals of breeze. Should I stand on the ground or waft with the wind? So, the explanation of the first extract is, the poet is telling us it is an evening that is wet with rain. The poet is walking through a street. He has some companions with him. His heart wants his companion to hold his hands with love. Both the poet's heart and his mind have grown weak. His mind knows that only a gentle breeze is blowing and won't do him with much harm. So he cannot decide whether he should stop walking or keep going, waft with the wind. So this is the explanation of the first stanza. So let me start the second extract with you. Windows, doors, windows of the houses are wet. Cool breeze stirs the leaves of the yonder banyan tree. The collars of my coats is also wet with drops of rain. All around rain silence. My feet are cold with water seeping through my shoes. My eyes are heavy with sleep. Or is it fever? The ground is very slippery. There is no place to stand. The mind is exhausted like for some sport to rest. So, the explanation of the second stanza or the extract. In the second extract, the poet tells us that due to the rain, everything is wet. Windows, doors and windows of the houses are all wet. The poet looks a banyan tree at some distance. The cool breeze are stirring its leaf. The collar of the poet's coat also became wet with the drops of rain. There is a silence all around. The poet is feeling cold in his feet. Water is seeping through his shoes. He is feeling heavy in his eyes also. It could be due to sleep or fever. The ground has become slippery. There is no place to stand and save oneself from the rain. The poet feels exhausted in his mind. He looks for some place where he can sit and rest. So dear students, this is the explanation of the second extract. Let me discuss the new words with you with their meanings, or we can say that glossary. The first one is waft. Waft. Waft means to move gently through the air. To move gently through the air. And the second is beckon. Beckon means to summon or to call someone. Or we can say that settle, not loud sound. Okay. And the second is reading, a sheet of canvas. Or we can say that a frame made on the upper side of the windows in order to save it from the rain or sunlight. Okay. And genders, over there at some distance or in direction. Rin means to ooze out. Rin means to ooze out. Seep. Rin means to rule over. Sorry. And seep means to ooze out. So dear student, this is all about the first two extract of the poem. I hope you have learned a little bit something from this video about the poem. I hope you all are fine at your home. Stay at home, stay safe and stay blessed. Allah Hafiz, fi amanillah. Mola bless you all. Thank you for watching.